Hello there. Welcome to our branch. How can I help you today?
Hello, thank you. I would like to open a bank account, please. A checking account.
Certainly. I can help you with that. Do you have your identification with you?
Yes, I do. I have my passport and my permanent resident card. Here you are.
Thank you. Let me just take a look at these. So you're new to Canada, is that right?
Yes, I arrived a few weeks ago. It's all very new and exciting, but also a little bit overwhelming.
I understand completely. Moving to a new country is a big step. We're happy to have you here. Now, about the checking account. We have a few different options. Are you looking for something with no monthly fees? Or are you more concerned about other features?
That's a good question. I'm not entirely sure. What are the usual fees? And what about a minimum balance? I'm still getting settled, so I want to make sure I don't accidentally incur any charges.
That's a very common concern, especially when you're new. For our basic checking account, there's no monthly fee as long as you maintain a minimum daily balance of $1,500. If the balance drops below that, there's a small monthly service charge of $5. We also offer an account with no minimum balance requirement, but it has a $10 monthly fee.
$1,500. That might be a bit high for me right now. I'm still figuring out my expenses. Is there anything else I should know about the fees, like for using ATMs or making transfers?
Good question. With either of those accounts, using our bank's ATMs is always free. If you use an ATM from another bank, there might be a fee from that ATM owner and sometimes from our bank as well, depending on the network. As for transfers, sending money within Canada through online banking or our mobile app is generally free. International transfers have different fees, of course.
Okay, that makes sense. So, if I understand correctly, the account with the $1,500 minimum balance has no monthly fee, but if I drop below, I pay $5. And the other one has a $10 fee regardless, but no minimum balance to worry about.
Exactly. For someone who's just starting out, the account with no minimum balance might be more comfortable. You can always switch to the other one later if your situation changes.
I think that sounds like a better option for me for now. I'll go with the account that doesn't require a minimum balance. I don't want to have to worry about that.
Excellent choice. We'll set you up with our everyday checking account then. It comes with a debit card, which you can use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. You'll also get online and mobile banking access so you can manage your account from anywhere.
That sounds very convenient. And how long does it take to get the debit card?
We can issue a temporary card for you today, which you can use immediately. Your permanent card will be mailed to your address within 7 to 10 business days.
Oh, that's great. I can start using it right away.
Yes, absolutely. Now I just need to fill out this application form for you. Can you confirm your date of birth and your current address for me?
Of course. My date of birth is October 25th, 1988, and my address is 4815 West 10th Avenue, Vancouver, British Columbia M5B2H1.
Thank you. Just a moment while I type this in. And for your contact number, is it the one on your permanent resident card?
No, that's my old number. My Canadian number is 5551234567.
Got it. I'll update that for you. So, you have your passport and permanent resident card, which are perfect for verification. Your new address is confirmed, and your phone number is updated. We'll also need to make a small initial deposit to activate the account. How much would you like to deposit today?
Let me see. I have some cash with me. I'll deposit $200.
Perfect. And would you like to set up any alerts for your account, like notifications for low balances or large transactions?
That might be a good idea. Can you set up an alert for when my balance goes below, say $50?
Certainly. I can set that up for you. It will send a notification to your phone number.
That's very reassuring. Thank you. I was a little worried about managing everything correctly.
It's our pleasure to help. Beyond this, we can organize direct deposit for your paycheck once you secure a job and assist with any additional banking services you need while getting established.
I appreciate that. I'm still looking for a job, so that will be helpful soon.
We have resources that can help with that too, if you're interested. For now, your account is all set up. Here is your temporary debit card and your account number. Please keep this information safe.
Thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
You're most welcome. It was a pleasure helping you open your account. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to come back or call us. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.